Hey, Lulu. Oh. Hi. Hi, Lulu. Can you stand in that corner?
I'm not in it. I'm not here.
It's right here. So I'm gonna be looking at the camera, but it helps that you're there. I think. Otherwise, I'm like, so today I'm making an iPhone background.
Hello. Hi.
So in this video, in this studio vlog, I heard that it's good to say like the words in the video, like what it is. And this illustration studio vlog, because apparently like YouTube picks it up or something in the captions. I will be working on a few different iPhone backgrounds. Just for fun and also for my Patreon patrons, which is really hard for me to say. Patreon patrons. Thank you. And so yeah, I'm going to be sketching them out first to come up with a few different ideas. Then I'm going to bring it onto my iPad and bring them to life. Okay, so I've drawn out these 3 different sketches for the phone backgrounds, and they're all of, well, they're all based on this Google Maps image, Street View image of, I don't know if I'm going to say this right, the Faroe Islands. I think it's a territory of Denmark, but I'm not sure. I saw it on Twitter being like, this is a cool place to walk around in on Google Maps. And so I was like, okay, this is pretty. I'd like to be there right now, but I'm gonna draw it. So I always like to kind of sketch things out really quickly in my sketchbook and then work digitally. But it's just a lot faster to sketch on here. That way I can see it all at once instead of going into different files in on my iPad, if that makes sense. I probably could figure out a way to sketch on my iPad, but sometimes it is nice to keep it physical, if that makes sense. So I am going to, I guess, scan this real quick and put it onto my iPad. Okay, I think I have the basic colors down for this first one. They might change, but right now I'm going to go in and start drawing in the details so that it doesn't look like a whole bunch of blobs. But yeah, I might change the colors, but I don't know. I kind of want it to look like a sunset sort of a scene, so we'll see how it goes. This is the second one I drew. I feel like it's so much different from the first one. I like really oversimplified everything, but I also feel like that feels more like my style. And for a phone background, I feel like sometimes, I mean, I guess it depends on your preference, but sometimes it's best to keep it simple. So I don't know, I might come back and add some more detail, but I don't want to spend hours and hours on this. One thing I forgot to consider was, at least on the iPhone, the time is in white, and I have a white cloud right behind it, so that's not going to work. Okay, this is a little better, but I feel like it's still weird. I don't know, I just feel like I can't do it. I feel like I'm just not getting anything done this week, and it's frustrating to me. I don't know. It's not 9:41. I don't know why it says 9:41. What time is it? It's 5:45. That's so weird. I might just call it quits for today and try again tomorrow, because it's just not happening. Okay, it's the next day. Last night I worked a little bit more on that phone background, even though I promised myself that I wouldn't. Sometimes if I'm not happy with something that I'm drawing or making, I just think about it and it makes me feel crazy, so I have to work on it a little bit more, otherwise I won't be able to sleep. Not that I sleep well anyway, but let's just, we're doing what we can. Alright folks, this is it. I'm giving up. I feel okay about it, and it looks alright on my phone. This isn't as, the white behind is a little bit hard to read, but I think it'll do. Seriously though, nothing is coming easy this week, and I think it's because last week I finished up a few illustrations for the kids' book I'm working on, and I'm happy with them. I think it just destroyed my brain, and I need to rest, but gotta keep trucking for now. Gotta keep trucking. Cheating? Maybe. I don't care. Okay, so this is the final painting. I like it. And then this is the digital. I like that too. I don't know, they're very similar. Texturally, I don't know, I obviously have more control over the digital one, but it's kind of nice to be able to actually paint something. I'm undecided. Let me know which one that you like better down in the comments if you feel like it, but also that would be extremely helpful. But yeah, I don't know, I'm just glad that I made it. I'm gonna scan this and then compare them side by side on my computer. So I'm editing the video right now, and I just noticed that I forgot to film an ending. So thank you for watching the videos. Please like and subscribe. These phone backgrounds are going to be available for anybody who subscribes to my Patreon. All the tiers get it. Yeah, thank you again. I never know how to end these things. Please continue to live your lives. Lives? I know it's lives. Lives is plural. Oh no. So yes, thank you for watching. Please come again. Let me know how you're doing in the comments. I just want to know who's out there. Okay. See you later.